Restoring the forest. The role of reforestation in environmental conservation. Introduction. Forests are the lungs of the world that absorb carbon and provide oxygen. However, deforestation threatens their sustainability. Reforestation is an important solution to restore forests and maintain the balance of ecosystems and the environment. What is reforestation? Reforestation is the process of replanting trees on bare land or forests damaged by human activity or natural disasters. Reforestation aims to improve the ecological function of forests, reduce the impact of climate change, and restore habitats. Causes of forest destruction. There are many factors that cause forest destruction, including deforestation damages ecosystems, deforestation for agriculture, plantations and development, forest fires, illegal logging and the timber industry. Benefits of reforestation for the environment. Reforestation provides immediate and long-term benefits to the environment, such as absorbs carbon dioxide and reduces greenhouse gas emissions, restoring natural habitats for flora and fauna, improve air and water quality, reducing the risk of flooding and soil erosion. Impact of reforestation on biodiversity. Reforestation helps restore habitat for many species that are threatened with extinction due to deforestation. By restoring forests, biodiversity can be protected and endemic species can thrive again. Examples of species that benefit from reforestation efforts: birds, mammals, insects. Reforestation and climate change. One of the best ways to combat climate change is through reforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, the main gas causing global warming. Reforestation helps balance carbon emissions and slows the rise in global temperatures. Effective reforestation techniques. There are various reforestation techniques that can be used depending on land conditions, climate, and the tree species to be planted: direct planting, natural greening, seed distribution. Conclusion. Reforestation is an important step in restoring the environment and maintaining the balance of nature. By raising awareness and participation in reforestation programs, we can help preserve forests and combat climate change. Let's contribute to a greener future by supporting reforestation initiatives. Thank you for watching.